Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Superb. So now it's time to do one worksheet. So I'm ready with my worksheet and a crayon. What about you all? That's nice. So let's get started. Match the birds with the same colored eggs. Alright everyone. So these are the birds and these are the eggs. And now we are supposed to match the birds with the same colored egg. Alright everyone. So let's start. So, which color is this? Pink color. And where are the pink eggs? Yes, here. So, let's match it. And now the next one. Which color bird is this? Green color. Very nice. And where are the green color eggs? Yes. So, let's match it. Now the next one. Yes everyone, which color bird? Purple. And where are the purple eggs? Very nice. And the last one. So, which color bird is this? Yes, red color. And where are the red eggs? Very nice. So, let's match it. Superb everyone. Thank you.